Assalamu alaikum dear parents and children. Welcome to ToRed. I am Sadia Rani, their class teacher. At this time we could not hold the exhibition and give you an invitation. Hence we took the help of technology and decided a virtual exhibition for you. Exhibition of the projects our young learners had made. So first comes the turn of social studies. In social studies, we tried to arouse the feeling of patriotism in the children, in these young learners, and we gave the concept of me, my family, my house, my city, my province, my country, and my planet, that they all are you actually. We tried to inculcate the spirit of patriotism, saying that children should own their country, they should have a sense of possession for their country. And we were surprised to know that these children already loved their planet and their country a lot. Now look at this. This is made by Fabiha. She has pasted her picture also, her family picture too. When she came to the home, she pasted the picture of home as well. Then landmarks of our city too. And she tried drawing the map as well. And map of the country too, and the planet as well. All of this work shows her love for her country. Then look at this Ranias. There is Ranias. Rania is not well nowadays, but she made an effort. Hats off to Rania and her mother, that although she was not well, she is down with chicken pox, but she made an effort and she has sent it. Look how beautifully she has done this work with different pictures, and she has made a great effort. Very well done, Rania. May God bless you with good health soon. Now comes the turn of mathematics. In mathematics, look at these, how creative this idea is. Children have made this bangle, these bracelets, or you may say the friendship band, and on this friendship band is table of 7. Some of the children have written some other table, and this was a very creative way indeed. Look at this one, beautifully made. And another, this is made by a 7 years old child. It's really commendable on her part. Then they were given a task of making timer clock. In timer clock, look at this Noore Adan's idea. Noore Adan has made a Bago clock. Beautifully made, and time is very precious, and this was our idea of teaching our children the time and its importance. This was made by this. Look at this is Rania's again, how wholeheartedly she has made it. And this was Shanzi's. It was too creative, although her mother helped her, but it was a great effort by a 7 years old child. Now we go to science projects. In science projects, the instruction was of using a quarter piece of chart paper, but some of the children had made the whole chart, used the whole chart paper for that purpose, so we could not display that big chart papers. But I would like to tell my children that following instructions is a must. All your life long, you should follow the instructions. Whatever you are told to, try doing that. They were told about uses of plants, and look at that, children have written the uses of plants in sentences themselves. Look at this, made by Fatima. Very creatively made. She has taken some pieces of bark, collected them and used them as a trunk. Very well done, Fatima Ali. Then this was Khadija Muhammad's. In very small font of handwriting, she has written it herself, and actually this was the task for the children to do it themselves. However would they have done, that would have been acceptable. Then this was Shanze's, and Shanze has made it very neatly and very wholeheartedly. Very good, Shanze. Then comes the turn of Islamiyat. मजहब से दूरी ने तो कभी भी किसी को कामयाब नहीं बनाया. अब हमने अपने नन्हे नन्हे बच्चों को, ये 7 बरस की बच्चियाँ, इनको मजहब से यूँ जोड़ा गया कि इनको ये प्यारी प्यारी दुआएं सिखाई गईं. इस क्रिएटिव काम के ज़रिए ये रानिया ने बनाया है. रानिया जो जिनकी तबीयत ख़राब है, अल्लाह उनको सेहत दे, ये उन्होंने बनाया है. ये इन्होंने इल्म में इजाफ़े की दुआ लिखी है, फिर दूध पीने के बाद की दुआ लिखी है, और फिर इन्होंने गुस्से से निजात की दुआ लिखी है. आप सब तो जानते ही हैं कि गुस्सा कितनी गलत चीज़ है. अपने बच्चों को हमने मज़हब से यूँ जोड़ा कि वो शुरू से ही इन दुआओं का विर्द रखें और हर बला से महफूज रहें. ये देखिएगा, ये बनाया है इनाया फैसल ने. इनाया फैसल ने एक लड़का बनाया है जिसने पूरे हाथ ऊपर उठाए हैं दुआ के लिए. अल्लाह करे कि इसकी दुआएं कबूल हों. इसी तरह से हर तरह की दुआ इनाया ने लिखी है यहाँ. अल्लाह करे कि हमारे बच्चे हर बला से महफूज रहें, इन दुआओं को पढ़ते रहें और बुराइयों से दूर रहें. Thank you very much, dear parents. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the young learners' work a lot, and keep them in your prayers, and thank you very much.